first noticed my hearing loss about 4 years ago. I always thought my son was mumbling.
Tom Wertman, a proud parent, is engaged to his fiancée, Wendy. As the regional manager for a semi-national dairy company, he's responsible for compliance issues with OSHA, DOT, and the FDA.
I played drums professionally for about 27 years, which means I was surrounded by a lot of amplifiers and sound equipment. There's no history of hearing loss in my family, so my hearing loss actually occurred gradually and over time.
Tom's hearing loss was affecting the quality of his life, at home and at work.
My fiancée, Wendy, would always ask me, how come you can't understand what I'm saying? And even in my professional life, I would always have to place myself in a room where I know that I could see everybody's face, so I'd be able to look at their mouths and understand what they were trying to say.
Good morning. Tom came to our office after having a hearing screening with a moderate to severe high-frequency hearing loss. We fit Tom with Siemens Pure hearing instruments in each ear. We thought this was a good choice for him based on his lifestyle and his listening demands.
Siemens developed the Pure hearing instrument with clinically proven best sound technology, including Sound Learning 2.0. This technology allows the hearing instrument to learn the wearer's preferences and then adjust automatically in any situation to meet their individual listening needs.
When we fit Tom with the Siemens Pure hearing instruments and turned them on for the first time, he realized how much he had been missing, and he became quite emotional and couldn't even look at me.
When I first got my hearing instruments, I'll never forget how my fitting went. And when Lisa put these in my ears, I remember that it was a very emotional experience for me. And I remember looking down on the floor and getting very emotional, and my eyes kind of welled up a little bit. It was amazing to be able to hear her and understand her without having to look directly at her.
Because Tom finds himself in a wide variety of listening situations, Siemens hearing instruments with best sound technology and Sound Learning 2.0 can take into account those different environments and adjust for him automatically.
It's like having a whole new set of ears. They're so comfortable that I don't even feel like I have them on. The Siemens Pures are just wonderful.
My dad's hearing has improved a lot, and our relationship has gone so much better. We can sit down at the dinner table and have a nice conversation, and it's taught me not to take my hearing for granted.
Tom is a bit of a techie, and we were excited to fit him with the Siemens MiniTech, which gives him some Bluetooth connectivity.
Siemens' award-winning matchbox-sized MiniTech is a combined streamer and remote control interface that connects a pair of hearing aids to multiple audio devices.
With the Siemens MiniTech, Tom can watch television, and with the Bluetooth connect to both his personal and work cell phone, in addition to listen to an MP3 player.
The MiniTech is great because now I can listen to TV without disturbing Wendy. I can have that at my own volume, and it's not going to bother her at all. I also have it synced up to my MP3 player. I also have it synced up to both of my cell phones. It's great.
I haven't seen Tom much since the initial fitting because he's done so well.
Conversations occur naturally, and my relationships are so much better. And one of the things that I realized is that my son doesn't mumble, and I always thought that he did.